In the last tutorial of the digital illustration series, we explored how to quickly and easily recolor an illustration using the powerful Recolor Artwork feature. In this tutorial, you'll take Recolor Artwork to the next level and explore other ways to use it to create multiple looks for a poster. But before you jump into the tutorial, let's explore Recolor Artwork further. Using the previous artwork from the illustration series here, you saw how recoloring any of this artwork by hand takes way too much time. You can see how I select one of the objects and change the color. Now, in this poster, suppose for the sky, we want to keep the same tints or shades of color, but we want it to be a sunset. This is exactly where Recolor Artwork shines. In the poster, say your team gives you some image examples of the look you're going for. Sort of like what we call a mood board. Instead of having to figure out the exact colors, with Recolor Art, you can select all the contents of the poster, fire up Recolor Artwork, and use the color theme picker to grab the color from the image and apply it to the artwork selected. With Recolor Artwork, the whole idea is to select multiple objects and change their color altogether, or even independently. Now, suppose your team wants multiple poster options to consider, but you don't know what might look good. You can just apply one of the options from the existing color libraries and explore until you find one you like. After you make and tweak your colors, you can save them in the swatches panel so you can use them at any time in this project. So to recap, you'll most likely need to show clients and stakeholders multiple versions of a design. Using Recolor Artwork, you can make variations and versions suited to your project needs. Now it's your turn. Start this tutorial with step-by-step instructions to practice recoloring artwork.